we run over to Rumble, and you can see here he's only got 45 views on this video, and it looks like he's optimized for YouTube and LinkedIn, just because he's not getting a ton of traffic to Rumble, which is understandable. So what we did here is we're actually going to diagram the workflows. Briefly, I'll illustrate these. You guys can check this out. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to get all of these. We literally map the workflow from YouTube all the way to close in terms of client purchase, and these are available to you. You can just drop down, click the link, go to the landing page, and you can download these for free and have a blueprint of the pre-adjustment workflow. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to run through from start to finish the actual workflows, how we get through all the automations from every link on every page. If you guys want to skip to the next section, you can, but I think this is useful. This is what we do for all of our clients, is kind of test it out, make sure everything works.